talked to a number of different companies, and I tell you what, 365 Turf was the first one to come out. They want to look at things. They gave me a quote. They gave me a rendition of what it would look like. Ultimately, I just felt like they were the most qualified to do it. They had a vision, and they did exactly what they said they were going to do. All the way from them, they talked to me about giving me a custom putter, right? And it literally was exactly like what we discussed, and everything just turned out great. I was very happy with them.
Which putter did you get?
I got the Scotty Cameron